TrumpRx is up and running. It's a website that the White House says will make it cheaper for Americans to purchase prescription drugs. Well, the site follows a deal with 9 drug manufacturers, which the White House says will make U.S. prices comparable to other countries. Well, this here is the website. And if you go up to Browse Medications at the top right corner and click on it, you can see a list of about 40 prescription drugs that are mostly name brand. The site includes a number of GLP-1 drugs and fertility medications. Now, if we click on the Ozempic pin right here and open it up, scroll down to the bottom, we can see the coupon tab. Well, this will give you a coupon that you can use to purchase a drug from manufacturers or some pharmacies. Well, this is all a lot of information to unpack. So we spoke with the White House and a local pharmacy about who's eligible to use these discounts and who's accepting these coupons.
Pharmacy, how can I help you?
At Maine on Locust and Davenport. They fill prescriptions, but pharmacist Tracy Tran says they don't take TrumpRx coupons.
I've had people call and ask about it, and we unfortunately right now would just say, right now there's only certain major pharmacies that would be able to do it for you.
If you go to the TrumpRx website, some products list the pharmacies that take the discounts. Many are available at larger businesses like CVS, but other drugs on the site leave the coupon locations open-ended.
With us, we already have programs in place that offer similar discounts already. So adding another layer to the workflow kind of is hard for our employees until we know much more about it.
Tran's referring to sites like GoodRx, which is a leading partner for the TrumpRx platform. She says that most of her customers aren't eligible for TrumpRx. Right now, the deals can only be used by those without insurance, Medicare or Medicaid, or those who choose not to use those programs. The National Center for Health Statistics reports about 8%, or 27 million people, don't have health insurance.
Our hope is that in the coming months, every prescription drug that's a branded drug will be on TrumpRx.gov, and Americans will be able to access these drugs at most favored nations pricing.
White House Senior Deputy Press Secretary Kush Desai says that the current deal is with 16 drug companies. Only 5 of those companies have drugs on the site now.
They'll be working with not just more pharmacies, but also other drug makers to lower the price of their drugs as well for American patients.
The White House points to a proposal introduced by the president, the Great American Healthcare Plan, and they say that it will help lower costs for those with insurance. Well, Protect Our Care, a healthcare advocacy group, says, in quote, TrumpRx is all smoke and mirrors. It's designed to grab headlines while big drug companies keep cashing in with so-called deals that most companies were already offering.